Hi guys, this is Frank. If you cannot find the standard aftermarket in your market, customer service is your best choice. Fupower has 4 profile factories and complete the production process. We have 3D scanner can scan your orange part, and the 3D printer machine makes it simple for you install and fundament verify. So you guys, if you have any custom projects, just send us a drawing or simple. You can see we build a lot of the titanium and stainless exhaust pipe projects. We can make the downpipe and the mufflers. This titanium we have the blue and orange color, and even the purple different colors options. This is for the GT midpipes. We help our clients design the 3 or 4 different sizes. We have designed the 4 and 5 inches the diameter stainless. We also like the downpipe. We made the titanium vision and stainless, or even the cutted vision. The surface we treated the downpipe, make them by ceramic coating. You can see this one is the ceramic coating, is gray color. We also have the gold color and the blue, even the black ceramic coating. Ceramic coating is very expensive and very much trouble in the processing. This pipe is the custom pipes for the BMW the G93 exhaust. So you guys, if you want to develop your business or develop or create your special products for whatever materials and whatever the features for the space and the colors and the performance, I think Fupower has for the factory can help you to create your business and larger, better than. Fupower is not only makes the exhaust, even the parts like the silicone and the carbon fiber and the air filters. So we all, and even the kitchen and the CNC works, we can help you together. All the factory can match together. So that's why we recommend to Fupower as your special choice. And this is the major reason Fupower is different with our competitors. Thank you guys.